Today I'm demonstrating the Logixal storefront. At the left side, you can see the English version of our storefront, where we can see the home page. At the right side, we have Chinese version of our storefront, where on home page we can see the product data in the Chinese version. In the left side, you can see the product names, their prices are in English version, and their currency is in dollars, USD dollars. And at the right side, you can see the Chinese version, where on home page we can see the product names and their Chinese currency. So on home page, what we can see is we have top deals, prime deals, best sellers. So those products are configured in OpenSearch Solar, and hence we are getting on home page. Similarly, from Chinese version, we are seeing the information from the Solar from different collection uh, for the local Chinese. Moving on, we will search few keywords in the left side. For example, glasses. And here we get the different results based on the search keyword, where we can see the product name in English and their prices in USD. Similarly, at the right side, we can search for glasses. So here I'm using the keyword text in Chinese as a search keyword. And yeah, so at the right side, you can see the product listing page where we have the search results similar to the English version. Only the difference is prices. So at the right side, you can see the price in Chinese currency. And in the left side, you can see the price in USD. So this is one difference I wanted to show. Now moving ahead, we can search for other keywords. Suppose for backpack, we can get the results in the English version. Similarly, in Chinese version, we can use the Chinese keyword for backpack, and here we get the results. Now, this is with respect to PLP, where again, the search results are coming from Solar as it is open search, and here we have ingested the traditional translated contents in the Solar, hence we are getting the results. Now moving on, we can go to the PDP. We can move to the checkout process. So let's search for wall clock in both the versions. And let's move to the PDP page. So this is the PDP page. This is how it looks in both the versions. At the left side in English version, you can see the product details along with prices is reflecting in English version. At the right side, you can see the product details along with prices in Chinese version. And also we have add to cart action button on both the sides. And also we can see similar products over there. Now I'll do a add to cart from the English version. And similarly, I'll do add to cart in the Chinese version. Yeah, so product got added. This is our cart summary for both the versions. Now we can see the order total, subtotal, and the line items in the cart in both the versions. Now we can move ahead with the checkout. Similarly, we can do the checkout in the Chinese version as well. Yeah, so we have shipping address details present over here. I'll just move to the continue button. Yeah, here we are. In the Chinese version, we can see the US address, but as an exercise, we have put the street name in the Chinese, and I'm using this as the shipping address. So let's move on. Okay, on checkout page, after pushing the shipping details, we can have our card details and we can click on authorize payment. I'll do place order from the English version. Yeah, here we go. So here the order has been placed. In English version, we can see the order number, order summary, etc. Now similarly, we can do for Chinese. Yeah, here we go. So this is the Chinese version of the order confirmation page where we can see address details, order summary, etc. and the order total. Now these two address, these two orders are already placed. Now we can go in VTEX and we can check our recent orders. Yeah, here we go. So the approved one we can see here. This is for Chinese version. I'll open this. We have order summary. Let's take some time to load. Yeah, here we go. So this is the order which we have placed for the Chinese. Here we can see the address details, the amount, the order status, the invoicing data, credit card data, etc. Similarly, we have other order for English version. Yeah, here we go. This is the order placed on English version. So we can see the order number, address, the final amount, order status, invoicing, credit card details, etc. available in the VTEX admin. So we have seen both the orders reach to the VTEX. We can check the emails as well. Yeah, we have received order confirmation email. Yeah, here you can see the order confirmation email for the English as well as for Chinese. So this completes our entire flow.